What if I told you that earning $50,000 a month online in 2025 isn't just a dream, it's a realistic goal waiting for you? In this video, I'll share 6 proven strategies that can help you start from scratch and build your online empire. Stay with me. You don't want to miss this. Number 1, inventory e-commerce. E-commerce is an incredibly powerful way to buy and sell products or services online, giving you the opportunity to reach a global audience, build a strong brand, and boost profits. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, e-commerce has lower startup and maintenance costs, making it a great option for almost anyone. It's also highly scalable, meaning you can grow your business without the high costs associated with physical stores. E-commerce has created an opportunity for a small one-person startup to turn into a multi-million-dollar business. There are thousands of examples. For instance, Blenders Eyewear. Blenders Eyewear started as a small niche brand selling custom sunglasses and has since grown into a company worth over $90 million. Pura Vida Bracelets. Pura Vida Bracelets began by selling handmade bracelets online and now generates millions in revenue while supporting artisans in Costa Rica. The Sill, a houseplant delivery service founded by a young American woman, has grown into a strong brand valued at $150 million today. These real-life examples show how focusing on a passionate target market can lead to great success in e-commerce. On this channel, I'll be teaching step-by-step e-commerce strategies, sharing exclusive tips and tricks to help you succeed and grow quickly in the e-commerce space. Number 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without managing inventory or shipping. When a customer places an order, you forward it to a supplier who handles packaging and ships it directly to the customer. Your profit comes from the difference between the selling price and the discounted cost you pay to manufacturers or wholesalers. It's a simple and cost-effective way to run an online store without ever handling the products yourself. One major advantage is that you don't have to worry about unsold stock. Some popular platforms for setting up a dropshipping store include Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix e-commerce, Squarespace, AliDropship, WooCommerce, and Amazon. Here's the exciting part. Dropshipping can be fully automated with tools like Oberlo, Dropify, or AutoDS. These platforms handle tasks like order forwarding and inventory syncing, saving you time and effort. So stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll dive deeper into dropshipping and show you how to harness AI tools to make automation seamless and profitable. Number 3, print on demand. Another exciting online business I want to share with you, which is actually a branch of dropshipping, is print on demand, POD. Imagine selling products without holding inventory or managing shipping. Sounds familiar, right? Just like traditional dropshipping, POD makes this possible. But here's the twist. With POD, you can add your own unique designs to items like apparel, mugs, and accessories and sell them under your own brand or label on a pre-order basis. You upload your designs to your online store or platform. After receiving an order and payment, you partner with a print-on-demand company to handle printing, packaging, and shipping the product. It's a seamless, low-risk way to turn your creativity into a thriving online business. You can create your designs using tools like Canva or Photoshop and upload them to pod platforms such as Printful, Printify, Teespring, Redbubble, or TeePublic. These platforms integrate with online stores like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, so they take care of the entire fulfillment process from printing to shipping. Number 4, digital products. Digital products are intangible goods that exist entirely in digital form, such as digital art, ebooks, music, software, online courses, and even virtual items sold in video games. These products are delivered instantly via download or email, making them a convenient and cost-effective option for businesses. One significant advantage of this online business is that digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a scalable and long-term income stream. This makes them an excellent asset for entrepreneurs looking to generate passive income over time. Here are 10 of the best profitable digital products to sell online. Online courses, stock photography and videos, digital art and illustrations, music and audio files, website templates, graphic design templates, SEO guides and keyword databases, printable games and puzzles, digital planners and calendars, and AR/VR assets. Don't worry if you're unsure how to get started with these products. I'll be diving deeper into each one in future videos, where I'll guide you step by step on how to create and sell them effectively. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Let's talk about another incredible online business opportunity, affiliate marketing. It's one of the most popular income streams for online entrepreneurs, and for good reason. It's a completely passive way to earn money once set up. Here's how it works. You promote products or services from other companies using special links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create or manage any products yourself. Whether you share your links through blogs, social media, or YouTube, affiliate marketing is a simple and low-risk way to earn money. It's also incredibly lucrative. Many successful online entrepreneurs earn a significant portion of their income through affiliate marketing. For example, Amazon Associates lets you earn commissions on a wide variety of products, while Shopify's affiliate program rewards you for helping people launch their own online stores. If you're into tech or online tools, programs like Bluehost and ClickFunnels offer generous payouts for referrals to their hosting and marketing solutions. Creatives can profit by promoting Canva's design tools, and educators can earn by sharing platforms like Udemy or Coursera. These programs support diverse niches and often offer recurring earnings, making affiliate marketing a smart way to build significant passive income. In future videos, I'll share tips on getting started with affiliate marketing and maximizing your income. Number 6. Artificial intelligence and automation for businesses. AI and automation are the gold mines of our time, packed with limitless potential to transform your business, create stunning content, and unlock a new level of efficiency and profitability. AI is the technology that imitates human intelligence to handle tasks like decision-making, learning, and problem-solving. Automation, on the other hand, uses technology to complete repetitive or complex tasks with little to no human effort. Together, they empower entrepreneurs to streamline operations, boost efficiency, and create innovative business solutions. The best part is that these tools are easy to use even if you're just starting out. For example, you can sell AI-powered tools like chatbots or virtual assistants to help businesses work more efficiently. Automation can also make running an online store easier by managing things like inventory, order processing, and email marketing automatically. On top of that, AI tools like Jasper for writing and content creation, Pictory for video production, and Deep Motion for animations make it simple to create high-quality content for your business or clients. In my upcoming videos, I'll guide you through the world of AI and automation, showing you how to use these game-changing tools to grow your business, skyrocket your income, and unlock a new level of success. With AI and automation, the future of business is in your hands. Get ready to unlock your potential and achieve success like never before. Now, I want to offer a bonus tip, and here it is. Combine AI with any of the online businesses we covered today to power up your success. AI can automate tasks, create amazing content, and optimize your strategies, saving you time and effort. Whether you're into drop shipping, print on demand, digital products, affiliate marketing, or any other venture, AI can help you scale faster and achieve incredible results. In upcoming videos, I'll dive deeper into the best AI tools for each of these businesses, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. The journey to transforming your business with AI is just getting started.